take a look at our intelligent manufacturing site, driven by AI. Software tools and visualizations enable a small team to monitor the entire system. The surveillance system unites the different functions in the factory, from robotic grinding to metal cutting to inventory management and transport. Autonomous mobile robots, AMRs, use technologies including LiDAR for navigation. Robotic systems can perform traditional manufacturing tasks, including cutting and grinding. An autonomous system is also implemented for inventory control. AMR transport of components. A dual-arm robotic system automates numerous tasks for a single product, including workpiece transfer into the machine, positioning, 3D scanning, and laser-guided dimensional checking. Software integrations enable the different subsystems to act as one unit. For example, an AMR autonomously detects and avoids approaching objects. Deviations from a nominal path are not a concern due to QR code positioning. The grinding unit features similar automations and integrations as the cutting unit. Unlike a traditional manufacturing facility, productivity is not enabled through precise timing and coordination, but rather through adaptability of AI systems. Together with the AMR, an intelligent inventory system automatically feeds parts and components to each subsystem as necessary.